This is a KHOU 11 News severe weather update.
Gene Norman here with an update. We've been following a storm that has possibly is producing a tornado, or at least has a wall cloud. That's this storm down here, just east of Katy, heading for Barker by 8:07, Addicks by 8:20. This is a live stream from a storm chaser with our WeatherBug affiliate, Jacob Wyckoff. He's been following this for quite a while as it's moved just west of Katy, then moved over Highway 99 near Cinco Ranch, and it continues as it's starting to get dark, but you can still see the rotating wall cloud right here, a sign of the potential for this storm to produce a tornado. We are seeing on HD Doppler that it has the potential to also produce large hail. I'm going to step out for a second so I can show you that there's another storm that we're watching. If we go back to HD Doppler, the one at the top of your screen, this one here, sheriff's deputies reported a funnel cloud forming, or at least lowering, at Highway 249 and the Beltway. Now, this storm also has the potential to produce large hail. It is moving toward I-45. Should get to Aldine by 8:19, Melrose Park by 8:22, Parkwood Estates by 8:34, and into Mount Houston by 8:35. So we've got two areas, and if that wasn't bad enough, there's yet another storm warning that has just been issued for this storm. And anytime I see this curl here, this hooking signature on the radar, that's an indication that the storm may produce a tornado or may be close to producing a tornado. We're going to go live now to Jacob Wyckoff, who's following that storm in the middle of your screen there. Jacob, what are you seeing? Do you see any rotation? Do you see a funnel?
Gene, it looks very, very dark. I'm trying to make out. I do see a wall cloud, and it's definitely lowering, but I don't think there's any funnels associated with it right now.
Have you experienced any hail or any gusty winds with the storm as you've been trying to follow it as well?
We have experienced no hail, but we have seen some gusty winds, yes.
Okay, well, Jacob, we want you to stay safe. He's going to continue to stream his live pictures, which you can see on our website, khou.com. Go back to the maps for just a second, because I want to point out where Jacob is right here. He's following this little finger on the storm, if you will. This is the rotation that we're watching very carefully. The bright red over here along I-10, this is heavy rain and potentially hail that is falling along I-10. But all of this is pushing eastward into western sections of Harris County. So a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 8:45 for both this storm and the new one that is now near Fulshear. This is heading toward Pecan Grove and Mission Bend. So folks in these areas, please stay indoors. Get to an interior room if you hear that sound like a freight train that many people say they hear when a tornado moves through. Get to the lowest floor of your home, an interior room away from the windows, like a closet or the bathroom. That's a good place to go. Our live HD WeatherBug camera out in Katy shows it's still raining out there. The skies are not as dark as they were. That's because the storm has moved back off to the right of the screen here. This is pointed down toward Houston. The system is moving perhaps more toward the Alief area than moving into just toward downtown at this moment. And because of these storms that have flared up, the Weather Service has posted a tornado watch in effect until midnight. More storms that develop could produce tornadoes and hail. So it's going to be a rough night. We're going to be with you all evening and give you a complete update coming up on KHOU 11 News at 10. We now return to our regularly scheduled program.
This has been a